Let's budget for May. Hi, and welcome back. I'm Kamika, and this is Well Balanced Wallet, where I help you create healthy money habits and live a life that you love on your current budget. Today, we are going to go over our budget for May. So, if you want to follow along with me as I budget, get a 34-day free trial of Ynab and go ahead and set your budget up. Let's get started. As I'm sure you know by now, my husband and I live on last month's income. So we have a buffer category with $3,500 because that's how much our expenses are per month. So what I'm going to do is zero that category out, and I have my $3,500 here so we can get started with the budget. So first we have our phone bill, and there's still money here from last month, but this money is actually my brother's money. I needed to pay something for him. So we're just gonna leave that there until I make the payment. But we budgeted $80 last month for our phones, so we'll do that again. And then next is our internet, and my husband's job reimburses our internet because he works from home. So they'll reimburse $35 per month, I think. And so we just got 2 months reimbursement back to back. So that's why the $70 are there. But let's see, let's go ahead and budget this $41.30. So that'll make us have $111 there. We probably won't use it all. And if we don't, you'll see it later in a video where I transfer money to pay for debt. The next bill is electricity. So last month our electricity was $138. It's starting to get hot, so I think I'm going to go with the budgeted last month of $180. So let's do that. And I know I still have money in that category, but it's okay. We'll zero that out in another video. For gas, we like to have $150 per month. So I just do the spent last month, and that brings us to $149. So that's fine. Water, our water bill last month was $57.59. Let's just go with budgeted last month, which was $63.13. Okay. Car insurance is the same every month. So that was $95.36. Life insurance is the same every month, $31.88. And we're not paying our student loans at this time. Gym, I don't think we need to put anything here. Gym is usually, since we're not going to the gym at this point, any like exercise classes or equipment that we pay for throughout the month, but I don't think we're going to do any of that this month. But I'll just put $25 here just in case something comes up. The Apple Music category is basically a catch-all for a few different things, so we will set it to I'll just add $23 here, and that'll make it an even 30. And then debt snowball will come back to. So our mortgage is $12.12 per month, but we are paying $12.87, which is $75 towards our principal. So we put that there. Home maintenance and repairs. We have one of the warranties that our sellers paid for last year. We've almost been in our house for a year. May will be a year. So one of the warranties that they paid for is coming up, and we do want to keep that service. So I'm going to add, I think it was $190 here to pay for that service. Groceries, we usually have $330. Restaurants, $150. We went over last month in case you didn't see. It's okay. It's okay. That happens sometimes. We moved some money around and covered it from another category, so all is well with our budget. Spending money, we talked about this last time, $25 each. That's just what it is. It's okay. Household goods. Last month we budgeted 100. Let's do that again. That's just for toiletries, paper towels, anything that we need to buy for the house, like a new water hose or whatever. Anything that's less than $100 that we need to buy for the house. Miscellaneous. It looks like we spent a lot of money for miscellaneous last month, but we actually didn't. I purchased a few things for my mom and she sent the money back to me. So I got reimbursed for the things that I purchased for her. So we still have $40 in this category. Let's just add another 60 to make it 100. Entertainment, same thing that happened last month. We made a few purchases, got some reimbursements. So it looks like we spent $151, but we really didn't. Let's just go with 50. And spur of the moment, this is like one of those oops categories. If I forget something, and I'll just pull money from here. So it doesn't look like we spent any, like just $13.90. But I'll pull money from this category to put in another category if I need it. So that's why it doesn't look like we spend from this one, but we actually do. So I'll just put $100 here for whatever I forget this time. And okay, challenges. I am doing a savings challenge this year. So we're at May. I need to add $125. At the end of this challenge, I should have $1,340 if my math is correct. So what I'll do is I'll update this note to say that we've added the money for May. And for Christmas account, we put in money every time we get paid. So we get paid twice in May, so that should be $40. We just do $20 every time we get paid. New car, we'll come back to this. Trips, so we are headed on a trip tomorrow actually, or today when you see this video. But I think it's fully funded. We've already paid for our hotel. We've already paid for the food. What we did was split the cost of food with my parents. So I've already cashed out them that money. So we have a little bit of money here in case we need to, well, it's for gas. And then if we need to purchase anything on our own, we're not going shopping or anything like that. So that should be fine. I don't think I'm going to add anything else here. But for car maintenance, I like to keep that at $600. So we're good there. Medical, I like to keep this one at $600. So last month we spent $250.23. We had a few medical bills, co-pays, deductibles, things to pay last month. So let's just fill that back up, and that equals $600. So $250.23 added to medical. Okay, and I think that is it. I need to pay for Ynab. It's coming up. My subscription is $45 per year. And I think I'm going to add that to I'm not sure. Let's add that to the miscellaneous category. So plus 45, and that's where my Ynab subscription will come from. And then we have $108.79 left. So let's do half of that for debt and half of it for new car. So that's $54.39 for the debt snowball. Wait, oh sorry, $54.39. And then new car, $54.40. Okay. So the $3,500 is not the amount of money that we make every month. It's the amount of money that we need to go through our budget and add everything that we know that we have to pay for each month. When we get paid over the $3,500, so I think it's our second paycheck per month is when we hit over $3,500. That money gets divided between the car and the debt snowball like we just did there. So that's why some of our numbers may look off if you watch these videos and then you also watch the debt snowball updates. It's because we're making more money than $3,500 per month, but that's all we need to cover these expenses. And then everything else gets saved or put towards debt. So I think that's it. We have $0 to be budgeted at the top of our budget. So every dollar is accounted for and we know exactly what we need to pay during the month of May. So now I want to hear from you. Have you already started your May budget? What is it looking like? Let's talk about it in the comments. That's all for this video. Be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click the link on your screen right now for more Well Balanced Wallet content. See you there.